recent news report stated that a young 21-year-old female had gone missing for a day from her home at Lapalang in Shillong. On the morning of 29th January 2021, residents of Maupat found the body of the girl inside a car that was locked from the inside. Also found in the car was a chullah. According to sources, after being notified on the incident, SP City Vivek Aim, accompanied by other police personnel, had arrived on the spot. Vivek Aim informed that an inquiry would be made into the incident. In the meantime, the case is under full investigation and reports on the matter are still awaited.